So, yeah, the biggest problem we have now, I guess, we have the steering wheel backwards. I don't know if we discussed that last video or not, but when you turn it right, the wheels go left because we flipped it around. So we're gonna have to come up with a gearbox we'll make with some transmission parts we've laying around probably. And then we get our seating position. That's kind of our goal for the day. And then maybe we'll get to push it down a hill or something. Dibs, I get to ride. I want to ride a no brakes. The no brakes machine that has like 500 pounds of weight.
Well, I'll give you an anchor.
Perfect. We need like a cinder block.
Right, yeah.
A cinder block with like a rope.
Maybe a spare transmission.
We have another 914 engine on the back. We just gotta push it off. That's the
One engine to propel it and one engine to stop it.
We need a seat. We need seat tracks.
Some steering parts.
Steering parts,
gears.
steering wheel. Another steering. We have a steering column here.
That vintage dust.
Yeah, that vintage dust, yeah. It's aged to perfection. Look at that. Now we got a seat. Yeah, look at iPad. I forgot I printed this. Let's see if it works. Ready?
Yep.
Hey! And it didn't break. Try again.
Oh my god.
Did I hit my foot again? Oh.
Yep. He's toast.
He's gone but not forgotten. At least the rocket survived. Hey! He flipped off! Modern problems require modern solutions. There's nothing else we need to do before I do this, right?
I don't know about that. I'm so far out of this loop now.
Screw it, we're doing it live. I think we need some more support still. Although it's kind of nice to be able to like rock your chair. Didn't get as far as I wanted to today, but...
Well, we did manage to make this out of parts we had lying around without any machining in a relatively short period of time.
It's true. While doing other stuff.
Yeah, we had to find parts and we were getting a seat in place as well.
Yep.
You have a place to sit.
Yeah, and it may be vice script on, but I have somewhere to sit now. This is where I'm gonna take my midday naps.
Was different than the other place.
Yeah, let's get it all set up and everything is ready for us. So today's day 2 of filming, and Tony's not here today, he has stuff to do, but we realized something. We went through all this effort to invert our steering, and because of the way the steering rack is, the gear's on one side of the rack, right? So all we really needed to do was just flip the rack 180 And instead of doing this, then we'd have the same effect. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna go ahead and just whip these off without smacking my hand again. So this side's gonna go over here now. We did all that work.
I know.
All that work for nothing. This is what we get for not having a plan and just kind of winging it. It's all part of the process. No build has no issues. What's important is you fix the issues.
Hey.
Victory! Anyway, but now we need to go ahead and grab a different steering column because we destroyed the other two in the process of making our little inverting gearbox or whatever. So let's go grab that, and then we're gonna locate where we're gonna put our mounts, and then we'll have a steering wheel. Well, you guys don't have a 914 front clips in your storage? Hey! Now we can put the plate under that, and it'll float up like this, and we can change the angle then to where we want it to be, weld the plate on, and then we're good. Oh man!
Look at that.
Yeah! We got steering, we got 4 wheels, we got suspension, we got our basic chassis. So before we add more reinforcements and commit to everything here, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do like a hill bomb. We're gonna push this down a hill probably, maybe some other tests. I guess we have a safety gear here. But yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, all those things, tell your friends. We were putting a lot of effort into this video and all our videos, so we appreciate you guys interacting with us, and stay tuned for more content. Later, guys.